Okay, so if we look at this data, and our first thing it's asking us to do is it's asking us to construct a scatter plot. So again, if I'm making a scatter plot for this, I'm not even going to consider anything except my positive part of my coordinate plane. Okay, and I need to get from 3 to 30. Again, depending on sort of what works for you and what you're happy to count by. 2, 4, 6, 10, 12, 14, 16, 15, 20. Oh, sorry, the camera's not. So if I count by 2s, okay, I can get those all in there. Okay, on your y-axis, you should have values between 11 and 42.5. So I would choose to count by 5s. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect, but again, the general idea. So if we start plotting all of those, again, do not take time to worry about it being perfect. If they want something to be perfect on the I-step, they will provide you with a graph. If they're wanting you to do your own graph and then interpret it, it doesn't need to be perfect. You're going to be able to tell. So let's see if we do 311, 12, 29, 1535. Oop. That's a little bit high, but that's okay, right? At this point, I got a little high. 22, 38, right? Again, mine's not perfect. 30, 42, 50. Again, just the general idea here. So when it asks us to describe the relationship between the variables, right? It says if the data is linear, sketch a line to fit the data. So we would say this is linear. We would draw a line that in general represents this data. Okay, I would say that this is a good fit because this looks linear and the majority of the points are close to this line. Right, the relationship between the variables, I would say that this has a positive association. Right, the line is going uphill. As our x values get larger, our y values are also getting larger. Right, when we're talking about some more why or why not, we might say we don't have any points that are way out of place. Over here, we call those outliers. But just in general, we have this trend that's going uphill. It has a positive association, and a line would be a good representation for it.